Well, we're always trying to be proactive versus reactive. We've been there. We started the company in 2006. I left corporate America, and right after that, the economy went down. And so I changed gears and started doing outplacement because nobody was hiring. So we created a leg of outplacement services, helping people to find jobs through interviews and helping with their resume. But we also do direct hire. We do temporary contract staffing. So we try to diversify our business quite a bit to make sure that we're prepared for different things that happen in the economy. But I think the other thing is we're trying to identify the right industries to go into. Before we were automotive, manufacturing. Now we're trying to do education. We just signed a couple of good contracts with educational, because that's stability. And we're also looking at the medical industry. So those are things that the economy doesn't impact, it's steady. So we're just trying to diversify our business.